5 benefits of using lithium power BMS. Looking for smarter, safer, and more efficient battery solutions. Let's explore the top 5 benefits of using lithium power battery management system. Number 1. Enhanced battery safety. Lithium power BMS is designed with advanced safety features, including protection from overcharging, over-discharging, heat issues, and short circuits. This ensures your electric vehicle or energy storage system operates safely, giving you peace of mind every time you hit the road. Number 2. Improved battery lifespan. Our BMS accurately balances individual cells and monitors them in real time. This prevents misuse of any single cell and increases the overall lifespan of your battery pack. Number 3. Increased efficiency. With precise control over charge and discharge cycles, our BMS optimizes energy use. This allows your battery to perform at its peak, providing maximum range and efficiency. Number 4. Customizable and scalable solutions. Thanks to its modular design, Lithium Power BMS adapts to a wide variety of vehicles and energy storage systems, from small scooter to large vehicles. Our solution grow with your needs. Number 5. Real-time monitoring and data insights. Lithium Power BMS provides real-time data on battery health, charge status, and more. With this information at your fingertips, you can drive predictive maintenance and advanced diagnostics with ease. By improving safety, efficiency, lifespan, and more, Lithium Power BMS ensures your battery systems stay reliable for the long run. Whether you are powering an EV or storing renewable energy, our BMS is the smart choice.